Alright, so don't mind my feet. I'm tired, okay? Um so today's the first day of spring, right? And well, this is what I have to deal with. This is what everyone has to deal with the first day of fucking spring. Why, Mother Nature? Why? Just why? Come on. Maybe you got sun. Look, we have the sun. It's fucking bright. But why? Come on. And then we have the puppy. Hi, puppy. Kinky. Hi. And I got no sleep because I was overheating. I was sweating to death. I was fucking sweating. Oh. So I probably got like an hour or so of sleep. So yeah, there's that. And I gotta work. As soon as I come home from work, I'm taking a shower and I'm taking a fucking nap. So yeah. All right. Peace. Bye.